There are warnings across the country tonight to stay vigilant this long weekend. Many provinces are seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases. Health officials are concerned things could get worse if Canadians get too relaxed on this holiday weekend. That is often associated with friends and family getting together or traveling. 3 provinces reported new numbers today. There are 146 new cases in Quebec and 124 in Ontario. In Saskatchewan, there are 15 new cases. Health authorities say 9 of them are from multiple Hutterite colonies across the province. Across the prairies, there is a surge in cases in several Hutterite colonies. It's causing those who live there to make some major changes in their day-to-day lives. As Global's Marney Blunt tells us, residents are fighting 2 invisible enemies: the virus itself and the stigma it's causing.
They're small Christian-based communities nestled in rural areas of Canada. They're living rooted in agriculture.
And that's basically just part of our lifestyle, is the tight-knit closeness of our families, and we just support one another.
But some Hutterite colonies in Canada are facing adversity in trying to contain COVID-19 outbreaks. In recent weeks, hundreds of cases have been reported on colonies in Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, many linked to local and intra-provincial travel. The outbreaks are forcing some colonies to go into lockdown and implement strict physical distancing measures.
For Hutterites, we've learned, and we're struggling to realize, that our communal way of life, the way we've organized our life for 500 years, poses some unique and very specific risks in regards to a viral outbreak like COVID-19.
And a lack of understanding those traditions is causing even more problems.
Hutterites have experienced legitimate concerns regarding stigmatization and cultural profiling. This has ranged from being turned away at doctors' offices, to being spat on, to being sent out of retail outlets. And this has resulted in Hutterites resisting testing.
It has many members of Hutterite colonies speaking out against stigma. In Manitoba, public health officials have stopped identifying colonies when reporting on clusters of COVID-19, a stigma that only hinders our ability to fight the virus.
COVID-19 does not discriminate. This virus can affect any one of us. And so it's systems, it's society that discriminates, and not the virus itself.
A key reminder that kindness can go a long way in the fight to keep Canadians safe. Marney Blunt, Global News, Winnipeg.